Hello and welcome. Hello guys. Today is our first video about SillyTavern, and as much as I am going to talk about how to make characters on SillyTavern, this isn't the main idea of this video. Yes, when we talk about how to make a character, how to make a character card, one of you, maybe some of you may say, why you explain something like that? We all know how to make a character. Yes, I feel the same like you, and it turned out it's something very different, is nowhere near what you think is right. In this video, the main idea, think of it as a guide to how my advanced videos will work. Yes, starting from very near, I will start making advanced videos, which you won't find everywhere but my channel and my Patreon. Of course, it will be on Patreon, it will be paid, okay, but I will upload demos to it on my channel. So if you are interested, you could consider supporting me. I will talk about something advanced to have a general idea what you are expecting to see when you pay to see advanced videos. Now, to start with how to make a character card, we have two principles that I'll tell you, and if you follow them, I assure you that you will know how to make a perfect character card. If you have passion to make character cards, or you just don't find your character and you want to make one, I will talk about this and how to make it yourself. Then I'll tell you how to use the AI probably to make a perfect character card. But all this will be saved for later. As for now, we will talk about how to manually create a character card, and of course on SillyTavern. My two principles are, the first one is DRY, which stands for don't repeat yourself. The second principle is MIR, which stands for make it right. You don't understand, right? Okay, I'll make you understand now.